beautiful people, welcome to Celebrity Home. Paboritong celebrity siblings na sina Tony at Alex Gonzaga kinagiliwan ng mga netizens sa social media matapos ibahagi ang video ng kanilang rehearsal para sa kanilang concert sa Antique. Maganda ang boses ni Alex pag seryoso sa pagkanta, ngunit di talaga makatagal na hindi ilihis sa kanyang pagiging kwela. Ito ang komento ng isang netizen sa kanilang video. Talaga nga namang sa kanilang rehearsal pa lamang ay nakakatuwang mapanood ang kanilang tandem na magkapatid.
It's all coming back, so coming back to me now. Never moment to go, there are things I never do again, but they always here. Never meant to be lost, keep on falling in lost. Baby, 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 it's you right there. And if you whisper like that, it was dead long ago. So coming back to me, it won't be like this. And if you didn't feel like that, it was dead long ago. So coming back to me, it's so hard to resist. Hey, so coming back to me, I can never